today we are looking at Michael's respiratory system. And to start that, for point 1, we are palpating for the clavicle, and we are going to listen above that at Erb's point. And then we're going to compare it bilaterally. Just going to breathe in and out. All right, so the second point is between the first and the second intercostals. The third point is going to be between the second and third, and now we're into the upper lobe. All right, and the fourth point is found between the third and fourth, and we're still in the upper lobe. All right, so next we're moving into the middle lobe with this one, and we're going to be between the fourth and the fifth. So staying in the middle lobe, we're going to do in between the fifth and the sixth intercostal. All right, so now we're moving down to the lower lobe with the next point, which is the seventh point. It's going to be between the sixth and the seventh intercostal. All right, and then staying in the lower lobe at our last point, our eighth point, is going to be between the seventh and the eighth intercostals. And so when she's done with these ones, we're going to take a look at the posterior side of the body. And we're done.